Hi and welcome to a new video by Irene's Crochet Corner. In today's video we're going to be learning about the double crochet stitch. I already have 14 chains on my hook and I'm going to start by counting 4 stitches. So I'll start working into the 4th stitch from the hook. So I'm going to do a yarn over, insert my hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'll yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. And then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. We will continue working the same sequence till the end of the row. Now we're at the end of the first row, finishing the last stitch there. And this is what my work looks like for now. We crocheted or we started with 14 chains. We skipped the first 3 stitches and we started working into the 4th stitch. So we did 11 double crochet in the first row. However, those 3 stitches that we skipped in the first or in the beginning are considered a replacement to the first double crochet stitch for the row, the current row. So when we're counting 11 double crochet plus 1, that is equal to 12 stitches for the row. Now to start row number 2, we're gonna be crocheting 3 chains and turning our work to the other side. These 3 chains again are considered a replacement to the first double crochet stitch of the row. So I'm not gonna be working into that first V shape stitch. I'm gonna skip that one and start working into the second one. Now I'm almost done with my row 2. I only have 1 stitch to do or remaining. So that stitch, I'm gonna be working it above the 3 chains from the previous row. So I'm gonna be inserting my hook into the 3rd chain of the previous row. And I'm gonna be finishing my stitch as we've learned. Now to start row number 3, we're gonna be chaining 3, turning our work to the other side, skipping that first V shape from the previous row and continuing to work the double crochet stitches as we have just learned. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow all the videos that are being uploaded, and I'll see you next time.